Let me talk about how Lean Six Sigma can help in facilities management. What is the facilities management? It comprises of a range of disciplines and services to ensure the functionality, comfort, safety, and efficiency of a built environment like real estate, infrastructure, buildings, and even grounds. Now, Lean Six Sigma can help you by identifying improvement areas in almost all the aspects of facilities management, like real estate and property management. You can help improve operations and maintenance, even materials management, and also you can improve your communications management as well. Now, how is it done? This is done by the employees of the organizations. They are trained as green belts and black belts, and then they are given improvement projects. When these projects are being executed, you identify the major wastes, you mitigate the potential delays, you identify the defects and reworks, and reduce the reworks, control and improve the quality of work, and this is done in almost all areas, even emergency management and business continuity, environmental stewardship and sustainability, you can improve that as well, and also drastically improve your project management, because a lot of delays in the project implementation can be reduced using Lean and Six Sigma projects. So in various ways, Lean and Six Sigma can help you in facilities management.